Guys, still working from home and are stuck on calls all day? Well, this environmental noise cancelling headset from EKSA is just what you need. Why? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, I've got to say, I'm one of those guys that are still working from home, and I can tell you, I'm on a lot of calls every day. So I'm always excited to check out new headsets. Why? Because I like to move around while I'm speaking, so headsets are an absolute necessity for me. Now first off, I just want to say that EKSA kindly sent me this H6 environmental noise cancelling headset. Now, if you follow my channel, you'll know that whether I'm sent something to review or whether I buy it myself, you're always going to get a good, honest review from me, good, bad, or indifferent. So before we get into the detail, let's get this headset unboxed and see what we have. Now, opening the box, we've got everything nicely packed. Lift out your headset and you have your manuals. Take out the headphones and you can already appreciate the quality of how this headset feels. Now, it's mainly plastic with some metal through the headband, but it feels very, very sturdy. On the left side, you've got this long boom mic, and the ear cup on that side houses all of the controls and the USB-C charging ports. Always excited to see USB-C. Now, you also get the familiar carry bag with the orange writing on it, as this is the Telecom range. For the gaming range, you'll probably be familiar with the green writing, but anyway, this is the Telecom range. And you also get a USB-C cable for charging and a Bluetooth dongle. Now, taking a look at the controls, you have a multi-function button which controls the power on off and play and pause functions. You can also use this button for answering and ending calls, and you can also manage a three-way conference directly from the headset using this button, so that's kind of cool. You also have a volume up button that controls, volume up and skipping forward of tracks. You also have a volume down button for turning down the volume and for selecting previous tracks. And lastly, you've got this do not disturb button, which pretty much does exactly what the name suggests. This button also doubles up as a voice assistant button, so in my case, it activates Siri. Now, these controls are very, very similar to my recently reviewed EKSA H1 headset, which is pretty much similar to the H6, but is a single ear cup version. So if you're interested in seeing a review for that, I'll leave a card just here. Now, apart from the ear cups, which incidentally are marked up L and R, so you kind of know what ears that you've got to put them on, you've also got this cool function that when you swivel the microphone up, let me get my model to demonstrate, but when you swivel the microphone up, it actually mutes the microphone, and when you swivel it back down again, the mic is reactivated, and that, I think, is pretty cool. Now, pairing was pretty simple. Just turn the headset on and it goes into pairing mode. Using an iPhone here, and immediately you can see the H6 appears. A quick click and boom, you're connected. Now once you pair the device, you can actually pair another device, so you can actually be connected to two devices. And the nice thing is you get spoken feedback for all of the functions, even that mic swivel, so no guessing what's going on. Now, I'm not going to go into a demo listening to music and sound quality, etc. I've seen this on a few videos before for these kind of devices, and I feel it's a bit of a waste of time. These are the Telecom headset range, which whilst you can listen to music and use audio playback controls, but they're no way geared for music quality. EKSA make audio headphones, and I'll be reviewing their E1 wireless headphones very soon. So subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of that video if you're interested. And they also make gaming headsets, which are also pretty good when it comes to listening to music. So if you're interested in seeing some of those which I've reviewed, I'll leave a card here. And I also have some up and coming videos on new gaming headsets from EKSA. So Be sure not to miss those. Now, for a few specs, the H6 will last on standby for a massive 160 hours. That's pretty cool. Talk time is 30 hours. And if you do want to listen to music, you're going to get a whopping 55 hours of music playback. And they only take 1.5 hours to charge. I mean, that's pretty impressive. And these support Bluetooth 5 for greater quality and increased distance of headset to device. And you know what? Don't worry if your device isn't Bluetooth 5 capable. Remember that little dongle? Well, pop that into your computer and you're good to go. So guys, this H6 headset is a nice piece of kit. I tried it with various video conference apps and mobile devices and it worked flawless. It's light, comfortable, and it's just what you need when you're on your calls all day. I love the H1s and I've used them a lot, but this H6 is just the job when you want 2 ear cups to block out background noise. And at just £42.99, they're a flipping bargain. So guys, that's just about it for this one. If you're looking for a great, cost-effective, wear-all-day headset for your calls, you'll be hard pushed to beat these. If you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to EKSA for sending me this H6 ENC wireless headset to review. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave for Scenes for a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.